of this exhibit is lazy steel. In this exhibit, we have two aluminum pipes. These two pipes have slits so that we can observe. In one pipe, we have a magnetic piece, and in another pipe, we have a steel piece. So let's see the demonstration. So when we invert both of the things at the same time, and let's see what happens. So you can observe that the magnetic metal piece moves down slower than the steel metal piece. The steel piece comes down quickly in the tube, while in other tubes the magnet takes longer time to come down. In case of non-magnetic metal piece, the gravity pulls it down speedily to come it down quickly. But in case of magnet, it develops the magnetic flux around it. So the electromagnetic force develops. So according to the Lenz's law, the direction of that force is opposite to the change in flux. Here, the magnet experiences the upward direction, which opposes the gravitational pull and slows the magnet.